All eyes on me,
All eyes on me.
motherfucker. Twist the blunt, get fucked, feeling faded to the dome. This marijuana burning, damn, I'm feeling plenty stone. Mind slow, high slouch, catch me chilling on that couch, unload. Everything from the north to the south, we grind it down and roll it up. My nitro sparking up the butt with flows that make you shudder. I'm a crazy motherfucker, shut the fuck up, man, you bust like a bubble to the dust. I'm the illest cancerous, there's no cure to why I'm sick, but I'm faded, gets the blowing that you don't never know it. I'm a battle by itself, I am quiet like a mouse. Just you try and fuck with me, I'ma hit you in your mouth. I'm the sound that's never heard, I'm the whisper to your word. I'm the O to the G, call you blind, you can't see in the dark. I can creep in your dreams where I sleep. I'm the secret that you know, all my records go and go, cause my flow it gets you high. Call them dope, I never lie, but I'm faded, motherfucker. What you know about me, motherfucking MACKDEEC. Killing on the track, get back, motherfucker. Feel my heartbeat, real quick flow, motherfucker. So cold and I'm motherfucking going down right now. Check this shit, alright, motherfucker, Mac D's in this bitch. All eyes on this motherfucking king shit. Real lyrics every single day I go. Check it out, yo. So you start off the night popping 5 bikes, check it, then you peep out the scene, see what's happening, get it cracking, hit your homie on the phone, see what's party's going on. Damn, I'm feeling extra fresh, getting pretty fucking blown. Here we go, it's down the road. Where this keg is in marijuana, you down the roll. Ecstasy is unleashing itself, you in control. Take a sip of that lean, follow me to the back where we smoking plenty fucking green. Now there's bitches, they stripping, showing they titties and kittens. I'm on a whole nother mission, I fucking them and they sisters twist up a blunt. Great switches, we grifting out on some dro. 10 shots of Crown Royal, you find your ass on the floor. Sitting down, I'm faded, can't get up. Not playing, smoking dro all day and plenty shots. I'm staying, music jumping, walls shaking, so fucked up. Hearts breaking, got me tweaking, smoking weed, drinking cups of JDs. Motherfucker, all eyes on me. Motherfucker, all eyes on me. Check this shit. Here we go, one more time.
God.
We got coke and some acid with mushrooms, let's get blasted. Wake up the next morning like what the fuck just happened? But it's still right now when we all faded as hell. Twist up the liquor, pop Xanax, we straight up smoking through pounds. The walls they shaking, earthquaking, let's bring it back to the basics. Where every party we having was vodka, drugs, and the bitch. Now these bitches bring drama and marijuana is gone. Gotta starving for realness, let's get it going, I feel it, motherfucker.
Yeah, that's
freestyle
Maggie's,
shit.
bitch.
I'm gonna kill every motherfucking mind, bitch. I blow through MCs like a motherfucking dime bag, blowing up, smoking up all day, son. Roll up a blunt, get fucked, twisted, motherfucker, like my mind straight fucked up. No doubt, ill shit, what I'm all about. And Mac D's killing everybody's mouth, bitch.
Oh shit.